This is a new Eagle One Prima EXP, a single-group professional espresso machine from Victoria Arduino. What makes this model different is the implementation of PureBrew technology that allows you to brew espresso-based drinks and filter-style coffee in one machine using patented cone-shaped basket. Ever since I saw Prima for the first time, I thought it was the perfect machine for our studio. We have been using it with our team for a couple of weeks now, so we can show you this espresso machine in action. Disclaimer: Victoria Arduino is a long-term sponsor of European Coffee Trip, and we work with them to film and release this video for you. Okay, our goal in this video is to show you Eagle One Prima EXP in action. We'll go through an unboxing, talk about important specs and parameters, we'll set up the machine and use the mobile app to make espresso and cappuccino together. Then we will explore PureBrew, which is an exciting addition that has so far been available only for the flagship Black Eagle Maverick model. Now, it's time to show you the unboxing footage we captured for you. Okay, it looks great, right? We had no idea about the color, but it fits well in our studio. Besides the obvious, an espresso machine, we receive a set of portafilters. A single and double spout espresso portafilter with various brew baskets, and PureBrew portafilter with double mesh conical basket. To make our studio espresso setup complete, we also got a Mythos Mi1 grinder and PuckPress Q2 automatic temper. If you look at the machine, it follows the aesthetics of Eagle One. It's simple, elegant, with clean shape. Visually, you cannot distinguish the EXP model from the regular one. The difference is the addition of the PureBrew technology and various color palette. Our color is metallic lavender, one of 7 colors available now. Besides more traditional black matte, white matte and shiny, EXP specific colors are blue pearl, sparkling coral and romaine coin. Eagle One Prima EXP is a low-profile espresso machine that can easily fit most spaces. It's 38 cm tall and 41 cm wide. Depth is over 50 cm from the portafilter to the end. It's a compact machine, but don't get mistaken, given the solid material inside, it's about 47 kilos of total weight. The front panel is dominated by a single group head with a Victoria Arduino logo, 3 clean buttons and display. On the left, there is a steam knob to electrically control the steaming, steam wand and pressure meter. On the right, there is a hot water knob and hot water wand. On the bottom, there is a removable water collection pan. You can easily connect Prima EXP to the water supply through available pipes. Or, if you are limited like we are in the studio, you can use a built-in water tank that can fit up to 1.5 liters of water. You can then connect the tray to drain coffee waste automatically or manually remove and clean the tray when filled up. Okay, it's time to turn on the machine. Once the machine is plugged into the electricity, you switch a button on the right bottom of the Prima. On a display, you see it recognizes the water supply is from the water tank. And if there is water in, you start hearing how water is flowing into the boilers. On the right side of the display, you will see a symbol of water heating, and the temperature is going up to the desired goal. What is important for spaces like our studio is that heat-up time is short, only about 8 minutes, for machines to be ready to start making coffee. That's thanks to the Neo engine optimized to save energy and only heat up the necessary amount of water to do the job. The steam boiler is 1.5 liters and steam pressure ranges from 0.8 to 2.5 bars. Both boilers are also insulated to prevent heat loss during the operation. Most of the time you operate the Prima EXP through 3 buttons on the group head. The middle button is for continuous coffee delivery, and both the left and right buttons have volume doses programmable. You can adjust doses and also water temperature manually through the buttons. You hold left and right button for 5 seconds to enter the menu, to program each button. It's much more convenient to set up machine through a mobile app though. Let's get it now. The app is called Victoria Arduino Eagle One Prima, and you can get it for free on App Store and Google Play. Once you download it, you must make an account first and then connect to your machine via Bluetooth. Now that the machine is ready, let's make coffee. To make espresso, we use Indonesian honey-processed coffee beans produced by Asman Arianto and roasted by Alan Jarrer at Jokes Aside Coffee. The recipe we use is 18 grams of coffee in, 93 degrees Celsius temperature water, and we're aiming for 42 grams of coffee out. The dial-in process was quick and soon we had a delicious espresso. A cool feature in the Eagle One range of espresso machine is auto purge. It's triggered by removing a portafilter after a shot, taking the task out of barista to-do list. It's programmable in the mobile app too. Using a steam one to make cappuccino was easy. We set the steam pressure at 2.1 bars based on the recommendation. I was a little worried it could be too much power for my untrained hands, but I was able to steam the milk well, even with the small milk dose and milk jar. The fluid head of the steam one allowed our team members to adjust the position easily, and cool touch is a great bonus not to worry about getting burned. Now, let's talk about PureBrew technology, which consists of two parts. Number one, a PureBrew extraction method that uses pulsating frequencies using low pressure water, which is less than 0.15 bar. Number two, a dedicated portafilter with patented PureBrew micro-thin double-mesh cone-shaped basket that can fit up to 20 grams of coffee. To get started, you need to switch to the PureBrew mode. You can do it manually by pressing the left button for 5 seconds or in the mobile app. What is also turned on in the mobile app setting is a visual reference on the display. E for an espresso mode and P for a PureBrew mode. No confusion. You can grind as you are used for filter coffee in a manual or electric grinder. But you can also adjust any method's grinder to work seamlessly with PureBrew basket by swapping the fork. Then just gently tap on the basket, distribute coffee evenly, and you are ready to brew. The recipe is defined by setting up a coffee dose, in our case it was 19 grams, roast style of coffee, light, medium or dark, and a water dose. Then machine takes the input and create a sequence of pulses that will automatically give you a cup of filter coffee in 2 to 3 minutes. There is a blooming phase, followed by first and second pours. Once dialed in, it's a nice way to brew and easily offer fresh coffee on demand. What's also quite cool is that you can use the same PureBrew basket to prepare tea. Proper tea brewing is often neglected even in specialty coffee shops, and automating the recipe this way would definitely be something to explore. Okay, we are glad we could show you Eagle One Prima EXP in the studio. It's a beautiful machine that can fit easily into many spaces, ranging from small cafes and bakeries to even venues, coffee labs like ours, or even homes. The technology inside is of a professional espresso machine, but in a very compact size. The internal water tank makes it easy to pack and bring to events and run a quality coffee service even in small space. The mobile app works well to set up doses and recipes with ease. The PureBrew technology is a great addition that will probably not make you purchase Prima EXP in the first place, but once you have it, it unlocks many creative ways to experimenting with coffee or tea and work on specific recipes and drinks. Now, let us know what you think. Does this Eagle One Prima EXP fit well in our studio? Shall we keep it? I look forward to hearing your opinions or questions. Thanks for watching. See you soon in the next video. Bye bye.